This is the house we're leaving. Heading for Sicily. Another project. I'm running out of time. These are my bedroom. So the weather's getting a little bit chilly. Got a bit of a jumper on today. So there was some rain, which resulted in some more water coming into the house. So as a follow-up from that, I realised that the roof still had to be, or the terrace still had to be waterproofed a bit more. So as I explained a few times in other videos, I'm no good at plastering, so that's one of the jobs where I've had to get the builders in. And for 2000 they've said that they're going to completely watertight the roof by replastering all the walls. So they're up on the terrace. All of this wall's going to be replastered. This wall's going to be plastered, and all of these side walls are going to be plastered. So that will take us, this was the waterproof membrane, the paint that was put down, and the whole of the terrace was resurfaced. But water was coming in, I believe, from these walls here. Rain was basically soaking through the wall and going behind the paint and the resurface that was put down and into the house. So this is as far as they've got. And this is the first coat. They're going to put a second coat on, which is going to smooth it. And the second job they're going to do is, this was the other leak here. We relayed all the tiles and put some new ones down where there were cracked tiles. But still there's some water coming into the house from this area here. I believe it's because water was hitting this wall, running down and then into the house. So all of this has been filled in. And I'm going to get down when they've finished and have a look at relaying these tiles. There's still some water penetrating. It could be that there's so much dirt in between the tiles that it's not running off the roof and the gutters are still a bit blocked. Could be. Try and get to the bottom of it. So this is day one of their work.